guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing honey sriracha wings that are so good and great for any gathering. Please make sure you have the notification bell turned on, that way you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Now let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to start with some chicken wings. I washed my chicken wings very well and now I'm patting them dry with a paper towel. This way they can crisp up very well in the oven. So first, we're going to set the chicken wings aside to dry completely. Then we're going to make a flavorful spice rub for them. Start by adding some salt and freshly cracked pepper into a bowl. We're also adding garlic and onion powder, some paprika going in, ground cumin and chili powder. Last, we're adding brown sugar and baking powder. Guys, do not freak out about the baking powder. It's actually the secret to making crispy wings in the oven without deep frying. Alright, next you're going to pour half of the spice rub into a ziploc bag and add half of your chicken wings. And then we're going to shake and shake and shake until the chicken is very well coated in the spices. Next, grab a baking pan with a rack and place your chicken on the rack. And the rack will help circulate the heat around the chicken to make them extra crispy. Also guys, make sure you leave a little space in between the wings to help with heat circulation. So we're going to shake the rest of the wings in the spices, place them on the rack, and we're going to bake them at 425 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then I'll show you what to do next. Alright guys, when your wings have baked for exactly 20 minutes, you're going to turn them over, bake them for an extra 20 minutes, and I will show you what to do next. When they come out, we're going to turn them over for the very last time and bake them for an extra 10 to 15 minutes until they're very nice and crispy. So while the wings are going to finish baking, we're going to put together the honey sriracha sauce, which is just a mixture of honey and sriracha. I added toasted sesame oil to make the sauce nice and smoky. Also guys, keep in mind that sriracha is pretty spicy, so if you're not a fan of the heat, start by adding 2 tablespoons at a time and taste before adding more, okay? So the wings are finally done baking. They look so good. I want to show you how crispy they are. This is what the baking powder does to the chicken, guys. So next, we're going to pour the honey sriracha sauce all over the chicken. And make sure you do this right before you serve. That way they can hold their crunch. Toss everything together and they are ready to be enjoyed. These wings are delicious guys. They're so good and the flavor is amazing. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. When you try this recipe, please send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel because I have many more delicious recipes to come. Bye!